as a woman, I am depressed. Because when in a family, if anybody is sick, whether it is a child, whether it is the father of the home or the woman suffers most. If you have a hospitalized child, who goes to hospital with the child? More than likely, it is the mother, isn't it? If your husband isn't well, who is left taking care of the children if he goes to hospital? If you yourself as a woman is unwell, who suffers? You suffer twice. In my view, it's a county disaster. It's something that we need to flag as a county disaster. And therefore, I thought the first place to start the campaign where we begin preventive measures, promotive healthcare, will be around women. And I want you to be the champions.